Welcome back to MVP Auto Pro, the channel where we explore the most exciting motorcycles shaping the future of two-wheeled performance. Today, we're diving deep into a machine that's been the center of attention in the sport bike community, the 2025 Yamaha YZF-R9. Positioned between the legendary R7 and the fire-breathing R1, the R9 brings a new level of balance, performance, and technology to Yamaha's Supersport lineup. Design and styling. The YZF-R9 carries forward Yamaha's unmistakable R-Series DNA. With aggressive fairings, sharp LED headlights, aerodynamic winglets, and a sleek, race-inspired stance, this motorcycle looks ready for the track even while parked. The slim tail section, sculpted tank, and centrally mounted exhaust highlight its sporty personality. Yamaha has given the R9 a design that blends elegance with aggression, making it equally appealing to sport bike purists and riders looking for a daily machine with track potential. Engine and performance. Powering the 2025 YZF-R9 is Yamaha's proven 890 cubic centimeters CP3 inline triple engine, derived from the MT-09 platform but tuned for sharper throttle response and high-performance riding. This engine delivers strong mid-range torque, smooth acceleration, and a thrilling top-end rush. With around 115 horsepower, it perfectly balances everyday usability with the excitement of a true supersport. A lightweight aluminum frame and fully adjustable suspension ensure agility, stability, and precise handling on twisty roads and track corners alike. Technology and electronics. The R9 comes loaded with modern rider aids and advanced electronics. Features include ride-by-wire throttle, multiple riding modes, traction control, slide control, wheelie control, and cornering ABS, all adjustable to suit different riding styles. Yamaha has also equipped the R9 with a full-color TFT display, offering clear visibility of all critical information. Connectivity features allow riders to pair their smartphones for calls, notifications, and even track data logging, making the R9 a blend of analog thrill and digital precision. Comfort and everyday usability. Unlike bigger supersport machines, the YZF-R9 is designed to be approachable and versatile. Its ergonomics strike a balance between aggressive sport riding and daily commuting comfort. The slightly raised handlebars and well-padded seat make longer rides more manageable without sacrificing that aggressive supersport posture. Yamaha has made sure that while the R9 can dominate track days, it can also handle the demands of urban traffic and weekend getaways. Riding experience. On the road, the YZF-R9 delivers an engaging experience. The triple-cylinder engine provides instant torque for city rides and an exhilarating scream as it climbs through the revs on open highways. The chassis feels light and responsive, inspiring confidence in corners, while the advanced electronics give riders complete control over every situation. Whether carving mountain roads, hitting the track, or just commuting, the R9 feels planted, refined, and thrilling all at once. Why the 2025 model stands out. The 2025 Yamaha YZF-R9 fills an important gap in Yamaha's lineup. It offers more power and performance than the R7 but remains more accessible and practical than the R1. This balance makes it the perfect sport bike for riders who want track-ready performance without the overwhelming power of a leader bike. It's the kind of motorcycle that bridges the gap between daily usability and pure riding excitement. Final thoughts. The 2025 Yamaha YZF-R9 is more than just a new sport bike. It's a statement from Yamaha. It represents evolution, versatility, and the perfect middle ground for riders who want a machine that's thrilling yet manageable, advanced yet rider-focused. For anyone looking to experience the raw excitement of Yamaha's R-Series with a balance of comfort and control, the R9 is the bike to watch. That wraps up today's deep dive on the 2025 Yamaha YZF-R9, brought to you by MVP Auto Pro. Stay tuned for more reviews, insights, and updates on the world's most exciting motorcycles.